Hi friends, grab your black marker and come. Let's make some wonderful drawings. Make a line of circles and make a head with ears. Time to draw the facial features. Now make the eyes and mouth. That's right. Now draw its body and make its tail. Draw strips on the circles for making the paws. Well done! Draw a rabbit with number 3. After the ears, make 2 trees facing each other and then 2 small trees facing away. Put a carrot in its hand and make its eyes, a heart and a tail. So cute! Let's begin by drawing a big lofty cloud. Now let's make a face inside. These are the features of a sheep. Do you recognize? Now draw the eyes and then make its front legs. Border inside using a grey marker. Use red for its horns. Color the face in beige. Make the cheeks rosy and you are there. Draw 2 big trees facing each other and now a sleeping tree. Make the hair and ears. Now draw round eyes with 3 white dots, a cute nose, the whiskers of course, and a bow in the neck. And now the tail. Let's color yellow stripes, red bow and pink cheeks. Next we are going to draw an elephant. It has a big tusk. Draw the trunk and extend it up in a curve to form the head and then the rest of the body. Draw the nails, then the tail and finally the eye. There! Let's grab the orange marker. Write a big B and fill it up. Now extend a tiny tail and 2 feet at the bottom and tiny yellow semicircles from head to tail. Draw eyes, pointy teeth and red spots. Oh my god, a dinosaur, run! Now write a big F and make a smiling emoticon. An eye with 2 white spots and then a leaf on the corner and some hair up and down along the F. Looks like a horse. Now let's complete its body. Make 2 legs in the front and 2 behind. Add a big leaf-like tail and Mr. Horse is ready to gallop away. Take a green marker, draw a big B and fill it up. Leave a small D. Now extend a tiny tail and fill it up too. Make feet like so and 2 hands. Draw semicircular yellow scales and color the tummy of the dinosaur. Add black spots on its back and give it happy facial features. Say cheese, Mr. Dino. Before we go, draw 3 semicircles. In one, make 2 ears, eyes, whiskers and tail. In the other, make a pattern like so and draw a face sticking out. A tortoise! Draw its feet and tiny tail. On yet another semicircle, draw a nose, eyes and tiny patterns inside and along its back, for it is a porcupine. Draw 2 feet and done.